Hello everyone, my name is Jacek Duda. I'm the product line manager for USB IP at Cadence. Today, I'm going to explain to you the dependencies between different USB specs that got released last year and whether they are actually independent or maybe dependent on each other, or what you can do with different specs right now. So I have already pre-populated the specs that were released last year. There were 3 specifications released, and you can see that I've got a rectangle here, but this is because the alternate modes is a very important part of the power delivery specification, and it deserves a separate corner. The USB 3.1 is obviously the increase in speed. It's right now 10 gigabit per second versus 5 gigabit per second of the previous one. It's also referred to as USB 3.1 Gen 2, and the previous one is USB 3.1 Gen 1. The USB Type-C is the connector specification, and it can be only a connector because it will still work with all of the legacy speeds and without power delivery as well. But of course, when we combine these, this is where the magic happens. So let's see what we can do out of different specs. Only 2 of them merged. So 3.1 and Type-C, a high-speed SSD drive that will be Type-C compliant, right? So Type-C. Okay, it will simply plug into the new port. What about Type-C and PD? So I already said that alt modes is an important part of the spec. So let's just draw these lines that will go like from Type-C to both alt modes and PD. And this is how we can actually build a display monitor that will drive power, so power, and display, right? Currently, there are 2 alternate modes supported, DisplayPort and MHL. So for sure, for a display monitor, DisplayPort will be a better fit. Now, what about USB 3.1 and USB PD? So I am thinking a high-speed hub, super speed hub, enhanced super speed hub. So we would have 3.1 hub that will also provide power to the connected devices. But all of the magic and all of the new applications will be here, where you can imagine a docking station that will have it all. So it will support all of the speed standards, both Type-C and legacy connectors, alternate modes for connecting to both display monitors and TVs, and power so that it can both power your devices or it can draw power from them to power some other devices that you have. So this is the breakdown of those different specs. If you'd like to find out more about Cadence IP offering for these specifications, please make sure to visit us at ip.cadence.com. Thanks a lot for watching this Whiteboard Wednesday. See you next Wednesday. Bye-bye.